Evan on behalf of Emtron Australia. Today we're going to have a quick run through the new EmUpdater. It's a handy tool to stay up to date with all the latest software updates, as well as news and announcements. Once you download and install it, it'll require you to log in. And then from there on, it's pretty much automatic. It will start making suggestions based on what it detects is installed on your system. My PC, as an example, it is showing that I don't have MVision installed. There's an install available here on the top left. EmUpdater below it is up to date and it's the current version. And then on the right hand side, Emtune is also up to date. There's the green tag showing that it is the current version. And then TMTune underneath it, you can see that there's an update available, and you can see the software versions as well with what's currently installed and what the latest version is. Another handy tool is this information icon here to see the release notes to do with the latest version. Up the top there is a blue button called Update All. That's going to update everything with a click of one button. On the right hand side is the news section. Under settings you can toggle that on or off. The news section can be customized by pressing the buttons up here. For example, I've just clicked on TMTune and it gives me the latest news to do with TMTune. So you can apply these filters so you can be up to date or just follow the types of news that you're interested in. That just about wraps it up. We'll see you at the next tutorial.